It's sad to go. Pass through Yeehaw Junction, Florida. You got some towels and a towel rack. You get some bacon? I got you bacon for you. The first one to go in, Al. Go sit, go explore. But I think we're going right there to the Sassagoula Steamboat. In this video, we are going to be checking out of our beautiful stay here at Disney's Vero Beach, packing up our things. We're going to get Ellie, and we're also getting on the road to go to Walt Disney World. We're going to be staying in a pet-friendly room at Disney's Port Orleans Riverside. Come with us, and let's continue this adventure. Overall, this was a wonderful trip. Our room was really beautiful. The staff was really great. There was a lot of people training, but they didn't miss a beat. Hello and welcome from a last day at Disney's Vero Beach. You can see here they're getting ready for our departure. And it's sad to go. Many people are leaving. But as I said yesterday, this is not our last trip. We're going to stay at Port Orleans, and we're not going home. We're going to go get our puppy, and we are heading to the mothership. Right now I'm headed to get some breakfast and coffee, and then we're going to pack up. We're going to get our things. We're going to get our puppy. And we're driving. We gotta get toll money because we're gonna be on the toll roads of Florida Turnpike, and then to Disney World. Let's do it. Check out this bouquet they put here. The other day it was the shells, and now this is beautiful. All right, to breakfast. Looks like it might have rained here sometime during the night because the ground is wet. And over here too. Yeah, definitely a heavy rain. I didn't even hear it. Amazing. We skirted the rain all day yesterday, so good timing. The pool is underway. People are swimming. I'd like to go swimming, but I've got to go to bigger and better things. All right, this morning we're getting Wind and Waves Market. They also have Dole Whip here. They have two flavors. They have key lime, which is this one, and then over on the other side they have a pineapple. Looks like they've done some fresh painting this morning, which is nice. Good to see. Constant maintenance. I have been very impressed with Vero Beach this trip. I mean, our room is really good. The one thing I have to say is there's a ton of people being trained, so huge onboarding of staff. Like, everybody has an earning my ears tag. By the way, got the bounty platter. This is they call it the breakfast bowl here, but it's bacon, eggs, and hash browns. So basically the bounty platter. And I'm gonna go put this on a croissant. But yeah, a lot of people training this week. And but other than that, they actually have done a really good job. A couple times they emptied our trash when we didn't expect it, like almost every day. It does fill up pretty quickly because of those little trash bags, little trash bins. But yeah, they were very pleasant. Everybody was attentive and
good times overall. Now I'm just going to take this upstairs and go and eat breakfast. By the way, check out this lobby mural. It has old Mickey Mouse. It has the Dodgers, sea turtles, has some Indian River fruit decor, pirate ships. Yeah, it has everything. It's beautiful. Okay, we're at Publix right now, and the plan is to go get Ellie and then get on the road to Disney World. Amy's just putting her cart away over there. Ellie. We got Ellie. Where are you going? You going Disney World? Oh, you're going to go to Port Orleans. You get some bacon? I got you bacon, Ellie. All right, we're on our way. We've got to get some gas, and we have an hour and 36-minute drive ahead of us. And our room's ready. Here we go. We're now at Wawa. Filled up the tank. We got some coffee. We got some road trip snacks. And Ellie, where are we going? Are you going to go to Port Orleans? Where are we going? We're going to go get beignets. Yeah, remember Port Orleans? We're going to go to Disney. You going to go to Disney World? Wow, Mama's coming. Okay, we just passed through Yeehaw Junction, Florida. We got about an hour drive to Orlando. And there's no sign of Starbucks to be had. But when we get to Orlando, I'm sure we'll find one, simply. Okay, we're getting on to 417. I think we picked up a couple bugs along the way. I hit a car wash. And we should be at Disney World in just about 15 minutes. It's gonna be. Ellie, what's that? Is that Disney World? You going to Disney World? We're looking for 8234 Acadian. Yeah, second floor. 802. Let's go.
How do you know it's building 80?
82. Yeah, we're on the second floor. So 8232. That's us. We go right. All right, find our room. Okay. Some stuff down there. It's so pretty. We made it. 8234. You're the first one to go in, El. Go sit. Go explore. Port Orleans. Ooh. This is nice. Wow.
Oh, you made
Very
it.
nice. Where are you?
What?
They have wood floors. When you walk in, you have a nice kind of wood-styled air conditioning. And this is an outside entry, so you have like a window that kind of faces the courtyard, you can see. And right where we walk in, we have like a marble table with beautiful accented chairs and some leather down there. Very, very posh. There's a nice mirror right in the front. Very pretty. Smells excellent in here. Very fresh and clean. We have two, what are these? Double beds, full beds, maybe two queens. Yeah, two queens, bunch of pillows. And we also have some beautiful accented lights here. And let's look, they have a woodsy bridge, very Port Orleans themed headboard. And let's turn these lights on. I think we should have one here, one here. Yep. There's a nice nightstand with a phone. It says Alligator Bayou on it. Whoa. And of course, you have a Holy Bible here. Got to check that for money. And then there's some storage down below. These are the newer beds. They're like a cruise line style. You can put your luggage underneath there. So great storage space there. Same bed here. We have a New Orleans themed riverboat right there with people on the side watching. So this is what the room looks like from here. And it is a beautiful room. Very nice, good space, very clean feeling. Once we get over here into the bathroom area, still very Nolans themed. You got some towels and a towel rack. This is a really nice accent. There's a hair dryer. You also have some extra toilet paper and towels down below. It's very nice for them to think of that. And there's an awesome inlay here, like a, I don't know if that's like a piece, like a little insignia. There's some hand towels there. There's a mirror. That's me in the mirror. And then I love this. Let me back up. The mirror has like an accent light all around it. It's like glowing. To the side, we have what would be your closet space, but because this is a moderate. Ellie's here. Hi, babe. Hi. We'll probably put her crate here in the corner. And you have extra pillow. There's an iron, an ironing board, and there's the safe there. Gives you instructions. You put in a code, and off you go. This, let's see, is themed after Princess Tiana. Very cool. You have the glow lights of Nolan's magic. There's also on this side, we have a, what is this? Like a coat rack. All these rooms seem to have some sort of coat rack. We can put Ellie's leash on there because there's a pet-friendly space. And there's a really nice leather seating like bench as well. We have coffee. Some half and halves, there's Joffrey's, and then there's, of course, some space for charging. Got some USBs, clean, sanitized, what? Thing. Hi, are you at Port Orleans? And then you have a nice bucket and cups. And then the last thing we see here is the bathroom. Also floral for Tiana. You have some bath towels and your H2O products. The shower has a subway tile with like kind of like a pattern, and then you have your line to hang your bathing suits. And that's the bathroom here. And that's pretty much it. You have, this is the room. This is what the room looks like, and yeah, this is great. Beautiful room. That's going to do it for this tour. Ellie, what do you have to say? Is this good for you? What do you think? Is this good for you? This is a nice room. We're going to go get you a pet pack, and we're going to go get beignets. You ready? You ready? Get up on that box. Get up on that box. Right now. Up on the box. All right. Ellie and I, we're ready to go. We got to go get our stuff. We're going to move in. You ready for a walk? We're going. Where are we going, El? We're going towards the front desk check-in. Try to get your pet pack, and then maybe there'll be a sign for your door.
Maybe there'll be a beer for Mama.
Oh yeah, we could do that. So we're in the Acadian house. And this right here is the Sassagoula River. Nice. All right, we've got Alligator Bayou to the right, fishing hole playground, and then the lobby left. We're going left. We're going left. We're going lobby. The pool's there. Looks like Vero Beach's pool. A little bit. Swimming hole. Oh, they got a splash waterfall. That's neat. I think this is where we get our boat to Disney Springs later. We'll see. We gotta look at the sign. Alright, we're crossing over the Sassagoula and we're heading towards the lobby. We have, I think that is a restaurant there. Is it Boat Rights? I don't remember. Or it could be the quick service. Riverside Mill and Market. Yeah, quick service is here. And there's a nice little boardwalk right there. But I think we're going right there to the Sassagoula Steamboat Company. And this one here is Boat Rights Dining Hall. It's like you're in a shipbuilding hall restaurant. And then the River Roost, I think, is where we're going to see Yeehaw Bob later tonight. Okay, we're here hanging out. We got ourselves a Blue Moon, and we got Ellie. Stay. You gotta be on best behavior. And we're here waiting for Amy. She's going to test out her magic band and see if it works. And then what? We're gonna have a beverage. And then we're gonna walk around, right? Maybe we'll get some beignets. Ellie, where are you now? Where are we gonna go walk to? You're at Port Orleans? You wanna go walk in? Leave it. Okay, we took the scenic route over to the French Quarter. And after a long wait, they finally came out with my beignets. We got rum chata and Irish cream. And a couple of Blue Moons also.
Every time waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young.
I'm gonna add a little bit of our night. Didn't really record it, but this is our trip to Disney Springs at Haleo. We were going to take a boat, but because of thunder and lightning, they closed the boat down, so we took an Uber, and it was raining there. I've never had a bad experience at Haleo, and I'd say it's one of the most underrated restaurants in Disney Springs, and everybody should check it out. You're going to see here in a minute the food. It doesn't just look amazing, but it tastes amazing too, and I've never had anything that I didn't like, and I've probably eaten 20-something items over the years. So, highly recommend Haleo. This is the chef's paella. They cook this all night long.
Hope you guys enjoyed this. Did you enjoy your tour around the property? We have more to do. Okay? We'll see you in the next video. Hit that thumbs up button. Bye, dudes. Port Orleans, Acadia Building. Building 80, right? Building 80. That's us. Bye, dudes.